Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about another issue in Genshin Impact. Like if you want to log into your account and it show like too many requests, please try again later. And this error occur each and every time whenever you want to log into your Genshin Impact account. Then you can do is only that you can re-log into your account with your login credentials like your password or the username and the Gmail. It is happened with me that I have just experienced it just some time ago, and I have just re-logged into my account with my login credentials, and it took me into the game. So if it you can try multiple times to prevent this issue, and you can log into your account, or you can try again after some times. Here is some general solving here that you can go with. Like here it is. So here is a stealth solution that you can flash in your DNS on your PC or on your mobile device. Then you can use a VPN and change to mobile data if you are on mobile. So if you are using VPN, that I don't recommend it because sometimes it get banned, but I can recommend you that you can turn on the VPN and log into your account. After logging into your account or entering to the dashboard, game dashboard, you have to disable the VPN right away, so your account don't get any restrictions. So from just like this you can just do it, or otherwise you can wait and you can simply try again and again after some times, and it may help you to get into this game. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.